Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Paratsarthi, and today's market, everything has fallen, and the bond yields have risen. And as markets are worried about inflation and rate hikes, um, the equities fell sharply today, continuing the fall over the last few days, increasing the volatility in the market as investors sell off. Foreign investors have sold equities worth over $1 billion, indicating that they are worried about the higher interest rates and its impact on the equity market. While government bond yields, the 10-year gsec yield has gone up to 6.66% today, higher from Friday closings. And again, the markets in India, the bond markets are worried about what the budget will bring for the bond market, and it will be inflationary in nature. And with inflation expectations looming ahead, RBI in its February policy could look at starting to guide towards rate hikes. All this is weighing on the equity markets, and that is hurting the sentiments of investors. And clearly, in such kind of sentiments, where do you invest? Download Quick Invest by INR Bonds, the app on iOS and Android, where you can invest seamlessly in bonds that have been specially chosen for you, where that will tell you over the current market volatility in both equities and bonds, and still fetch you reasonably good returns, which will tide you over inflation and rate hikes over the next 1 to 2 years. Um, the download links are given in the description below, or you can search the App Store for Quick Invest by INR Bonds and download the apps onto your mobiles. Well, on the rupee itself was slight March did not react as sharply as equities. The Sensex and Nifty fell sharply today, close to 3%. But the rupee was more stable, and that's because of the fact that RBI intervention is always there, given that they are sitting on close to record FX reserves, which they have built up over the last 2 3 years, and this can hold them steady when markets are extremely volatile. And in the corporate bond market, we saw Piramal Capital that had recently uh, done a huge transaction close to rupees 350 billion of the rupees 35,000 crores on buying the assets of the uh, defaulting DHFL. And of that, a large part of it was financed through issue of bonds. The one of the 10-year bonds that was issued that's trading very heavily in the markets, which is the 2031 bonds by Piramal Capital, and that was trading at closer to 11% with the highest volumes for the day of close to rupees 72 crores. So clearly indicates that the markets are also looking at higher yielding assets, and in these are changing hands, which is showing that there is enough liquidity for higher yielding bonds. Yeah, thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you have not done so already, and download Quick Invest by INR Bonds for the best bond investments you can make over the app. Thank you very much.